Hi, this is a review of the order trading activity for June the 24th, 2021. We had 3 trades on
Order
that day.
partially filled.
All 3 trades were all 3 trades were buys. First trade is HL. That's Hecla Mining Company. Tripped at 12:41 p.m. at a price of $7.94, and again it was a buy. Closed the day at 796, up 1.40%, and is up 0.04% today, and that is a positive. Excuse me.
Order partially filled.
And
Order filled.
We'll take a look at the indicators. OBV looks good, moving up. MACD came up, dropped obviously, and stabilized. Again, MACD is always an interesting thing. It jumps up and down, so averages, fluctuate quite consistently. So it's an aspect of saying that it goes up and continue going up is not something you'll always see, but the aspect is that it did peak and jump up when the trade occurred, or when the trading point occurred. DI, again, good, very strong during its peak, and stayed pretty much up for the whole day and was up fairly strongly at the end of the day. Bollinger Band just showing a steady increase, so that stock definitely was moving positive. Next trade is FTCH. That's Far Fetch Limited. Tripped at 2:19:21 p.m. at a price of 52.63, and again it was a buy. It closed the day at 52.67, up 5.95%, and is up 0.44% this morning. That's another positive. And we'll take a look at the indicator for it. Excuse me. OBV moving up fairly consistently in the afternoon period. MACD, you can see jumping up and down a lot, but again, it came up during its tripping point and stayed up fairly consistently after that. DI bouncing back and forth too, and the end of the day it was coming up. So, in Bollinger Band showing that, they're all showing the same thing. The stock actually was bouncing up and down a little bit, but in general it was moving upwards. So the stock was technically moving positive. Next trade is SM. That's SM Energy Company. Tripped at 2:55:12 p.m. at a price of $25.95. Again, it was a short. It closed the day at 26.15, up 8.01%, and that's another positive. Excuse me. Oops, sorry. 14:55. Okay. LB looks consistently moving upwards, especially at the end of the day or afternoon period where it tripped. MACD, same thing. This one here is showing a consistent rise in MACD, so that's a good thing. DI positive. You see in the mid-afternoon it did drop down a little bit, but again recovered right afterwards and start moving positive. And Bollinger Band, even with that drop, you can see it wasn't really that drastic. It pretty much just moved sideways and just increased up. So that stock definitely was moving positive. So that's 3 out of 3 stocks. That's 100%. Can't get much better than that. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.